Hello, traders and investors, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is October 24th, and we're diving into the world of Intel Corporation, INTC, stock. We'll start by looking at the latest news and current events that could be impacting INTC's price action, then transition to an in-depth analysis of the charts. First, let's take a look at the big picture and analyze the daily chart. Okay, so Intel Corporation, INTC, has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride in recent months. The stock has been facing some challenges, primarily due to the broader semiconductor industry downturn. However, there have been some positive developments in the news recently, such as Intel's focus on AI chips, which has been attracting investor interest and providing some support for the stock. Now, let's take a closer look at the price action on the daily chart, particularly the last few months. You can see a clear uptrend starting in mid-October of 2023, with the stock steadily moving upwards. This rise was probably influenced by the positive sentiment surrounding Intel's AI chip investments. We can see that Intel hit a high of $43.81 in November 2023, which represents a potential resistance level. However, since then, Intel has faced some pullback, which is pretty typical in any bull run. The stock has tested and found support at the $36.71 level in September 2023 and is currently trading around $22.40. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart and analyze the recent price action in more detail. Focusing on the past week, we can see that Intel has been consolidating in a range between $21.57 and $23.53. This consolidation phase might be indicating that the market is undecided about the next direction. Notice how the price has been bouncing off the $21.57 level multiple times, suggesting this could be a strong support area. On the other hand, the $23.53 level, which was the high from last week, could act as a resistance level. Keep an eye on these levels to see if they hold during this period of consolidation. It's important to note that this consolidation could just be a breather before a potential breakout in either direction. If we see a decisive break above the $23.53 level, it could be a bullish sign for Intel in the short term. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart now, zooming in on the past day. It looks like there's a lot of volatility in the short term. It seems like Intel is consolidating in a tighter range between $21.93 and $22.40. Within this range, there are some interesting price patterns that traders should pay attention to. For example, the price bounced off the $21.93 level several times, reinforcing the idea of strong support there. The stock also tested the $22.40 level, but failed to break above it, suggesting it might be a resistance level. The 15-minute chart can give us a good sense of how Intel is reacting to news and events, and how it's likely to behave in the short term. So, what are the important price levels to watch for Intel? On the daily chart, the $36.71 level remains a key support area, especially for longer-term investors. The $43.81 level is a crucial resistance level, and a break above it could signal a strong uptrend for Intel in the long term. On the one-hour chart, the $21.57 level serves as a key support level, while the $23.53 level is a potential resistance level. On the 15-minute chart, the $21.93 level is acting as a strong support and $22.40 as a potential resistance. Overall, INTC's price action suggests that it's in a consolidation phase right now. There's a chance that the market is simply taking a breather before making its next big move. If the stock breaks above $23.53 on the one-hour chart, it could signal a bullish short-term trend. Conversely, a break below $21.57 could suggest a bearish short-term trend. For long-term investors, keeping an eye on the $36.71 and $43.81 levels is crucial, as breaking above $43.81 could indicate a significant upside potential for Intel. Remember that this is just a technical analysis and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth stock analysis. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts on Intel in the comments below. Happy trading!